this patient presented to us about 5 years ago. He had noticed a neck lump and saw an outside otolaryngologist who obtained a fine needle aspiration and a CT scan. The fine needle aspiration was indeterminate and the CT scan was suggestive on his read of a branchial cleft cyst. This is quite unusual in a 60 to 70-year-old male. He took him to the operating room to excise the neck mass, and it turned out to be a squamous cell carcinoma, an HPV-positive squamous cell carcinoma. At that time, he was referred to us for further management. The patient had what appeared to be a small tumor in his glossotonsillar sulcus and no residual lymphadenopathy on further imaging. He saw the radiation oncologist, medical oncologist, speech-language pathologist, and the rest of our team. Together, we all decided on proceeding with a transoral resection of his oropharynx tumor and a completion neck dissection with the hope of giving him adjuvant radiation therapy. He also considered the option of chemoradiation therapy without surgery. He elected to proceed with a robotic approach and a neck dissection. He got negative margins, and there was one additional lymph node that was identified to be pathologic after the neck dissection. So he ended up having a T2, N2B, M0 squamous cell carcinoma, HPV positive, a T2, N1 HPV positive squamous cell carcinoma using the 8th edition AJCC staging. He received adjuvant radiation therapy since he had one additional lymph node and had negative margins, but did not need any chemotherapy since he did not have any extranodal extension. He's now 5 years out from treatment and doing well.